Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. Today, on my second episode of Cooking for Bae, I'm going to be showing you how to make honey hot chicken wings, as well as some potato rounds, as well as that cute little dessert. So let's get into it. So first, I'm going to season the chicken wings. Usually I'll make the dessert first, but y'all know when it comes to chicken, it needs to marinate. So I'm going to put some spices on here and let it do its thing in the refrigerator until we get to it. So I'm using some smashed seasoning, as well as some Montreal chicken, and as well as some sesame oil. I don't buy regular oil anymore, so if you have butter or whatever fat you prefer, just sprinkle it on there because I am cooking these into the air fryer. All right, so now onto the brownie. I'm gonna be making a s'mores brownie. And so I'm just following the directions on the box, except I use butter instead of oil. But you can use the oil, it's just a preference thing in this situation, to be honest. But if you're able to get the good quality stuff in the box, or you can make it from scratch too if you want. I decided to put it in these little ramekins. I feel like it'll be cuter. And I'm just gonna crush up some graham crackers into the bottom of the ramekins, of course, and now I'm gonna add some brownie mix to the ramekin. You don't want to overfill them because they will overflow. I did cook these to the directions on the back of the box, so make sure you guys do the same. And now for the sauce. So I'm gonna add a tablespoon of butter, as well as some sriracha, as well as some honey. Now, y'all, I thought I had regular honey in the house. All I had was hot honey. So you know these chicken wings were kicking, okay? And my thing is, why am I always going through it? When I'm trying to be consistent, show up, it's always something, y'all. I finished this off with some of the Brazilian steakhouse seasoning. I know we ain't cooking steak, child, but just do it. And some lime juice, and that was the sauce. I mixed it up, bring it to a slight simmer for like 2 minutes, and put it to the side so it can cool and thicken. And this is what you want the consistency to be when you turn the stove off. These are the potatoes that I'll be using today. They're easy to use and easy to smash and pause. And so I'm going to add this to some cool water, turn the stove on, and let them gently start cooking for about 10 minutes. These are my chicken wings that I have sitting on my air fryer tray. I'm going to pop it into my air fryer until they're brown on both sides, and I'll show you guys what that looks like. I know it's going kind of fast, but you guys get the tea, okay? So now the potatoes are nice and tender. I used a toothpick. It was nice and tender to my liking. I'm going to take a teacup and I'm just going to smash them on a greased air fryer tray. This is my air fryer tray right here, another one. Just put it there, greased with butter, and then I'm going to smash them. Okay, you could grease the bottom of whatever you're using as well so they don't stick. Don't be like Misha, because I didn't grease mine. And then I'm going to brush the top with the remaining butter I had from earlier when I was making the brownies. And this is going to get the potatoes nice and crispy and delicious and just unhealthy. And listen, I didn't tell y'all this was a healthy recipe. However, even more healthier recipes will be coming. The wings are air fried. We didn't fry them, okay? Baby steps. So I'm going to season this with some smashed seasoning, pop this into my air fryer, and I'll start showing you guys what each thing looks like. All right, these are the brownies fresh out the oven. You want to put a marshmallow on top. Now, I accidentally, got the giant marshmallows, not even the large, When I came home, that bag said giant, literally. And so I sliced them in half so I could have a flat surface. Once I put it on there, because the brownie is hot, the bottom will be nice and melty. This is me just using my blowtorch to give it that, s'mores look. You know how you char it on the grill or whatever. And this is how it looked, and that is the dessert. If you want to make a, icing or something else, or eat it plain, that's fine. But I just wanted it to have a little extra something, okay? And this turned out immaculate. I really do suggest that y'all make this brownie this way. But these are the wings, you guys. Look how amazing they look in the air fryer. No oil, like, bad oil and all of that. No deep frying. You want to pour the sauce. Look at the sauce. This is not the consistency of the sauce before it cooled. So this is why I'm telling y'all, put it to the side and let it cool. Now, before we get back to the wings, I wanted to show y'all real quick before it got super cooled down. Look at this, y'all. Look at that. Like, let's not play, okay? These are the potato rounds once they're straight out the air fryer. Look how crispy, golden, delicious they look. I was going to put some Parmesan cheese on there, but I was like, it's already too much going on. Look at these chicken wings. Like, I cannot deal. Look at these chicken wings. How amazing do they look? And I added some veggies on the side, some peppers and cucumbers. You could dip it in some ranch. But yeah. But thank y'all so much for watching. I love you for your support. And I will catch you on my third episode coming this week. Bye.